Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Well, this week I tried something new. The last couple weeks I've been testing out film simulations on the Ricoh GR III, but mainly those created by other people. And I've talked about my experiences on this YouTube channel. While using some of that experience, I thought that this week maybe I would try my hand at creating something original and sharing it with you. Through the variety of weather conditions that I've experienced this week and tweaking my recipe little by little, the results of my labor are a recipe that I'm going to call Cotton Color 400. And the intent of this recipe for me was to create a default recipe that I could use on a daily basis and that's flexible enough to be used in a variety of lighting conditions. I should mention that if you don't know how to input a recipe into your Ricoh GR III, I've written an article about it and created a video on it, and I'll link those down in the description below. So this recipe, Cotton Color 400, it features slightly muted colors, mid to low contrast, and bright highlights. And I have to admit that the famous Portra 400 provided a little bit of inspiration for me in regards to the color palette. The rest of this video is just going to be sample images so you can get an idea of the output of this recipe. I took photos on sunny days, cloudy days, and in low light and at night. I've made the recipe free as a way to give back to the Ricoh community, and you can find it on my website. There's a link down below. And if you do try it out and you upload to Instagram, tag your photos Cotton Color 400, and I would love to check out your work. I hope you enjoy the sample photos and the recipe itself.